Hi friends, welcome back to Code with Vanga channel. Today we are going to learn about double data type in C Sharp. A double keyword is used for to store the values, used to store decimal numbers, floating point numbers. Size is 8 bytes. Now let's dive into the code. To store the double values, we have to use a double keyword. This is the keyword and the name is number. We can store 10.5. Okay, now when we want to print that console.readline, console dot so we can print. So I'm starting the program. Build is succeeded. Now you can see that so this is not running double data type project. Double one. I'm running the project right now. Look at here. The double data type, we have a keyword, special keyword is double, and we can store 10.5. The output is 10.5. Okay. For example, in mathematical operations, I'm commenting over these lines. I'm keeping this console.readline is for showing the results. Mathematical calculations. For example, we can store a double a equal to 5.5, double b we have assigned with 2.0. Now I'm going to change this, combine this double result 2.0. Okay. Now I'm going to print this value in console.writeline. Look at here, 50.5, 20 points. So the output is 50 plus 20 is 70.5. Now I'm starting the project. Look at here, 70.5. Even we can modulus operator, that means into 20 also there. So we can see that the output 20 in 50 50.5 into 20. That means we can see that output 10,000, sorry, 1010. That is the answer. And even we can use for divisional operator. Operators. For example, I'm going to use a double keyword. I'm commenting all these lines for understanding purpose. Okay. Now I'm going to use a double keyword. Double X we can assign with 10, and double Y we can assign with 3. There is a one good understanding about this one. When we compare with int, it always stores. For example, if I want to store a 10.5, it does not store 10.5. It shows the error. But when it comes to double, we can store int values as well and even double values as well. Look at here, there is no error. We can store as of your choice. Now double result X divided by Y. Now I'm going to print result value Okay, see, now let's see that. See, look at here, the output is 3.33 x divided by y. So friends, this is all about double in C Sharp. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel